Okay.
Okay. She didn't say breathe. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
This one's for you, Cameron.
All right, man. Give a big smile for the camera.
What camera?
Right over there.
Holy shit. Oh my god. You gotta pull the cord.
I don't want to do it.
You gotta. You ready?
I don't want to do it. Oh my god, we are so fucking high off.
Yeah, we are.
And we're not even like probably halfway there. And there's the big river.
You ready?
Not yet. Why did you put me on the side?
I don't know. Pull it.
I don't know where it is.
Pull it.
Gonna be a good That was fun.
Oh, that was great.
That first drop was woo.
There's a camera right here.
Where? Oh, thank you.
My legs are like, I was had them like straight out. There's some guy with a thing.
I don't know. What are we supposed to do?
Next time back, I'm going to grab Lou with both hands.
Okay.
God, that was so cool.
I cannot believe we did that.
Everybody grab Lou with both hands and hold on tight.
All right.
Guys, go drop it. Go find away from the camera there.
We are such fans.
Who's full ripcord? Okay, Flyers, go ahead and drop your foot bars. Clear up. Alright, Flyers, we're going to swing you around here. Grab the back wall, help yourself stand up. After you stand up, please pick up your white foot bar.